One of the most significant challenges in aerospace electronics is electromagnetic interference. Aircraft and aerospace systems operate in complex electromagnetic environments where interference can originate both from internal and external sources. The next several slides explore the most common EMI sources and practical mitigation techniques. With that, the first major source of electromagnetic interference in aerospace systems is ground-based radar installations. Aircraft routinely operate within the coverage area of air traffic control, weather monitoring, and of course, military radar systems. These systems transmit extremely high power RF signals that can generate strong electromagnetic fields around the aircraft. Radar transmitters may radiate peak power levels ranging from several kilowatts to even megawatts sometimes, depending on the application. So, when an aircraft passes through these fields, RF energy can couple into wiring harnesses, antennas, connectors, and PCB traces. This coupling occurs through both radiated and conducted mechanisms and may introduce unwanted voltages, currents, or noise into your sensitive avionics systems. Common sources also include air traffic control radars, weather radars, military surveillance systems, and of course, missile tracking installations. To mitigate these effects, designers use grounded shielding enclosures, continuous ground planes, proper cable shielding, and of course, filtering techniques such as ferrite beads, LC filters at critical interfaces. These measures usually help to prevent externally generated RF energy from degrading signal integrity, communication reliability, and the overall system performance.